One of the popular NJ Lash Extension Studios is providing instructions to its readers as to how to properly care for their extensions. Owner and licensed esthetician Ash Santiago shares a few tips about caring for eyelash extensions with clients in this video. You shouldn't pick at your eyelash extensions. Regularly cleaning them will remove oil residues and extend their life. As part of its commitment to keeping its customers safe, this NJ Lash Studios offers proper advice and knowledge about eyelash extensions. When it comes to proper aftercare of eyelash extensions, we give our clients a rundown of the do's and don'ts at the end of each appointment so our clients know how to care for their lashes. Caring for lash extensions is a must to prevent any eye infections and maintain their look longer, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. Click the link below to learn more and subscribe to our channel.